Wuxi Long-Term Machinery Technologies Company Limited is a professional supplier of LPG gas cylinder production line, solar and electrical water tank manufacturing line, CNG cylinder production line, steel drum welding machine with more than 30 years of history. We are improving technologies all the time and focus on welding technologies. We provide customers with valued solutions including decoiler, blanking line, deep drawing machine, longitudinal seam welding, circumferential seam welding, nozzle welding, powder coating, hydro testing, shot blasting equipment. Due to highly automatic, simple operation, and reliable quality welding equipment, our machines are popular and well accepted in many different industries: pressure cylinders, fire extinguishers, solar water tank, enamel water tank, stainless steel tanks, and others. The most popular machine is our automatic LPG gas water heater body welding line. It is completed with automatic laser and real-time video tracking system, which improve the welding quality greatly and save working labor as well. The body welding machine can weld 1,000 gas cylinders per 8 hours. We have professional engineering team to support and turnkey service, high-efficiency sales team and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. Our machineries have been exported to many countries, such as Russia, US, Australia, Vietnam, India, Ukraine, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Kenya. We are long-term company. We will provide long-term quality machinery and long-term cooperation for the customers from all over the world.